Hi, welcome to Demotivate for Grammar. Have you ever felt you are playing with AI? You know what you want, but somehow AI gives you everything expect that. Today I discovered something interesting. We can actually use AI to help us write a better prompt for AI. Let me show you how. Okay, hey everyone, Mynul here. Before we dive in, let me tell you a quick story. So last time I used 2 hours trying to get AI for help with my React component. As a result, it's not that much get, but I tried a different approach and I asked AI to help me write better prompt. As a result, everything changed. So today I am sharing this game-changing approach with you. You might already know, but let me tell you again. I am just sharing with you guys. To the computer screen. So on my left side there is ChatGPT and on my right side it's Claude. So if we give a basic prompt like make a good website, it will give me something like that. So as you already know, I think you guys already tried it. So here is three step we will use. First we will use basic prompt. After the prompt we will write that hi, you need to analyze this prompt, and if we need anything you need to tell us that which thing you need. And after we get the feedback, and it will tell us that for which thing we need. And after we get the feedback we will tell it that we need a details prompt, and at the same time it will give us a details. Okay, let me show you the example that will work better. So let's say first I need a React authentication. Okay, let me create a new. Stop there, and I will tell is that we need analyze the prompt. So let me copy paste my text like a card. Most of the time ChatGPT and Claude are smart enough to answer, but a lot of time, like last time I work on location based application, so where it didn't give me any response I want. Now it will ask me question that which type I want, and it's also ask me bunch of question. Okay, so let's say I want to use Firebase and Firebase login and Firebase Google login. I also okay. So which question is asked? So is there any requirement? No, I don't need any requirement. So my code base is mostly on React. Code is on React. Okay, so let's copy paste it on Claude. Okay, they will give me the respected answer. I think it's good, and it's also, so I don't need this. Okay, I know it will be good response because I applied once. Now I will give another prompt. So based on the information information I Now I will tell it that use the feedback candidate details prompt. Okay, I don't need to write that much. Let me edit this response and send it to this. And it will give me details prompt. I don't need the code. As you can see, the project is authentication. If I copy paste it and paste it another one, it will give me everything I needed. And okay, let me show you. As you can see, it's guide me step by step. And let's say I am also copying the Claude as well. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I want. And there is login component, and I can also tell that I need the login component, and on the other hand Claude also give me the login component as well. Yeah, it's also give me the directory. Okay, now let's move to the tips part. So here is a few some powerful technique I think I discover when I try to search on YouTube. So you can use AI to tell as like act as a senior developer, something like that, or act as a resume builder. Okay, and another thing, you also like you can build up a context, and after some point you can tell that write me a details prompt about this, and it will automatically write you a details prompt, and you can start with another. You can move to the another chat and paste it there. It will work fine, like some. And the last thing we use previously, we try to start with basic prompt like I need a React authentication. After that, we give that few specific things, and at the end we try to tell it that I need a details prompt so that I can start with again, and I need to everything align. That is what I am saying there, and it also understand me, and every requirement I need JWS token, I need to HDK Firebase authentication, and I need to handle login, and it will give me everything. And here is a fun fact. Remember that the key is not just asking AI for help, and it about learning to communicate what you need. Really, it's like teaching a friend who really smart but takes everything literally. The better you explain, the better the result. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thanks everyone.